Therefore, Kennedy accompany kon Japan asanso release bomb bio. Na wakotena Oman FM ekeka nsem se NDC for a plan say wo mo be shit transformers ashenyama to disrupt the new voters register EC ayomo adwen say wo mo ebeye no. Kennedy Japan say intel la wunya asema nkrofo ede ababeto nenim. Why na adwen say one national security for kwa have meeting na say what the information ni nia evidence any proof nia ama womo. At this point the yebetumi aka na say ye twen second in Japan the intel no ebekwa koma national security for na ya hwe say asema work na ne kre ana ye go tie nsema Kennedy Japan e to ja
ati amba ha nwure ni say NDC for enye party phobia omo pese omo de asumdwe eba Ghana.
Okay.
My intel tells me say Oma dream say omo be shishi transformers Emma ada omo be start say yeah registration no
on one FM
baby bebre enye adwuma.
Oh, okay. Na electricity ni ho.
Yeah. Oma dream say ombema etuato.
Hey.
Oh yeah, they are determined because omu meeting each on say if they allow the register new one to come on pair, NDC should forget it, said they will never win election again. And any means necessary to cause trouble in this country, they're going to do it.
I see.
Because say minyane national security in Shia, but midika hinti and I'll give them the brief, full details, how they planning to do it.
Okay.
Me pese easy for eda hoso. Omu bi omu ye bia omu nya no wano. Enyen pepepe. E make sure say that day no omu sesa oma no.
Okay.
They have people omayo omadwen say ni amaame ni ye bia omu be sabotage. So that date na was set no will not come on.
Yeah.
Na ama ompe yanka nkyere mo.
So omuntimi.
FM.
It is easy for us to tell me. Mamu panike, ba mumfemu aba asem na me kachrom. Omu meet omu koye. Ni oma ko plan so mbeye nyina. I have it.
See.
Oma dream say omu betena se pa ma registration abasori. Any entokwa kurumbeko. How can we have opposition like this in this country? Na any aye court. Cry a route in
the face of several evidence.
Right. Kwano koni no who or court nyina ezuno eno cry yanko
on one FM
omo a register ye be about 700,000
uncover evidence
241,000 241,000 and what is 700
evidence and no duplications.
Yeah eno pono yanko ntokwa
on one FM
ne onyin tumudie but decision ma take into yanko this is omamba pa enti me magana fuatiase Peace Council, Christian Council, Muslim community everywhere say omoni NDC fo nkasa entokwa any basabasa eba no emwa so ma ko water areas ni bia enka ye ka kire say omunkoko they are so sure say in the police and the military they have about 80% support.
And Pofini crowd.
Inti
on one FM.
Now if we say NDC niya war sojem ene na ketuya ya tumbe 40%. Ebi mukura de 100%. Ono NDC abreso why NDC ni want to na ketuya mama no. Ufi say ene oka so nko twitwa obetwe. Ekufu ado ayi omu yie. Me ko bema camp na soldier fo no ankasa e na e ka kire me obi a na oje $3,000 as a major cedis as a major say so ojibe 7,000 actually ebro 100% or you happy na no akwakotwe etu so they shouldn't deceive themselves but emwa wo mo so emwa wo but they are bent on causing mayhem in this country.
I see.
But enye juma. The Honorable Kandapa, Henry Korte, Interior Minister, Defense, and all heads of security, they should be alert. Said this is what they are planning to do.
I see.
And the Omamfu etiemi, me dika di atoho amati. Asembie ni hwa maka wogana ha emetwe.
Omon FM.
And the mamu mfane tra Oma ministry ombedi money.
I see.
But first na na me 56 no. And Gameka chiro say we face them. Bene June in bedi 60. Enti me ma me sound warning say enwom kwa no me mema. Na ojo hu di pia yakuja. The NDC for when we have been in opposition for 8 years. No mukra Ghana, woma ru a change.
Yeah.
Party bia abagana. And so we call opposition pe as a wiase e be wiye. Because omutiwa their will be done and if their will is not done, the whole country should burn. We love our country, will not allow anybody to destroy it. That's the assurance I also want to give to Ghanaians. Say MPP, President Kufuor Kai, or say, Nsuo Shira Ohoi, Mfenipa, na Nsuo Yumbum,
Mfenipa,
and a Fenipa. Also, mkoye meeting, ewo Kumasi ni yina Ikurame. Mkoye meeting wo Kumasi, Ikurame. Ye twen wo mu. Na kwa ba kwa me minim so Ghana ni o. Minim so Ghana ni o. Until I meet the national security,
okay,
I will not give the name.
Okay.
What you say?
For in some Kennedy Japan, what they are to Japan, no. Aye, na media de be ansem bi say ba na me ba bonten be kasa yes me tan Kennedy Japan. Bo hu asema Kennedy Japan aka. Was say NDC4. Woma yomo dwen oma yomo adwen se womo ebe tututio womo be she transformers just say womo be cause mayhem na just election voters register new one no just say yenye anapa we me the story bremo say NDC4 womo aye U10 because what TSC ansem bia womo kan womo mpanyimfo especially some of the executives and womo former appointees kan sisi ade womo catch NDC4 say voters register no isi yakan wosi wontie nti yesre mo registration no ye ya monko na monko ye bi eno ni asema NDC4 so aba bonten can. There are two stories here. Kennedy Japan usually with his huge allegations na they be asema eya meka ene say yete ho na wo bi nso e de allegation bi fa Kennedy Japan ho ba na ya adwen say ne de ye nti ase na so Kennedy Japan mo amwate ensem a waka. It was this same thing and Kennedy Japan kan say NDC4 because they want to disrupt EC the voters register wo mo pese wo mo ehyi EC e bu nkrofo bi e wo ho nti no NDC4 mpanyifo bi koye meeting no bobo nkrofo bi din ekoye meeting ebo Kumase yini aye hu nsema ebaaye omo wo mu din ni ababontin be deny say update na Kennedy Japan ka say wo mo Kumase kran they weren't even in Kumase ema NDC panyi ba ko ebabontin be bo Kennedy Japan dua say wo bo Kennedy Japan dua wo de agrada entinsi Kennedy Japan apempem because ade Kennedy Japan to ne so no wono wanko Kumase ankoye bibia wo bo wono nso hu dua se wo ko ho ekoye sa ade na Kennedy Japan ne kan ono nso agrada entinsi na pempem. And today yet again wild allegations. Now in some say no ebasa na depending on your political side no you either believe or not. Because it is Kennedy Japan saying it, makes me actually say majority of NPP people will believe it. Now, when say majority of NDC people will also not believe him. Nini name no Kennedy Japan say one national security for air say akasa. In the first place, Bibi Susu said this matter is of national security concern. Indeed, na 100% national security for a year who be pan. Na ke ni kwan kra se wo ba bonten e be ka tre Ghana for. Na ke wo se woni national security for ekosusu ho. Na omo a wo ma yo ma adwe se wo mo be yesa no na nke ekochi omo. Inti Kennedy Japan se wo kobo national security for amane ye te Ghana ha se ye behwe se wo be kwa kobo omo amane a na de be si bia no hunim se yen de ye remfi asem ya de bebre mo. Mo tre mo adwen e wo comment box mo tie for be da ase.